As you can see, this outdoor clock is absolutely beautiful. I love this company. I have so many different things from them, and they always have high quality products. This is an oil rubbed bronze finish. It's completely waterproof, UV resistant, so it's going to be able to last a very long time. So not only does it measure the time, also it measures the temperature as well as the humidity. And you can have the option of turning it off, on, or have it on a 4-hour timer, whatever you need it for. This is going to be great for your patios, your backyards, pools, anywhere you want to be outside but you need to see the time. So if you're looking for a new outdoor clock for your backyard, I think this is a great buy and I think you're going to really like it. Thanks for watching.